It is quiet. It is quiet. It is too quiet.
Today is my birthday. But I am all alone. I miss my family.
Surprise! Surprise! Happy birthday, Alice!
Oh my gosh! Ben, you scared me! You really scared me!
Did I scare you? Good! I could not let you be alone today. You are my best friend. Best friends are always together on birthdays.
Thank you, Ben. I really appreciate it. I thought everyone forgot.
I really appreciate it. Thank you for coming. You made my day.
This is for you, a small gift. Go on, open it.
Wow! A cupcake? It is a red velvet cupcake, my favorite!
Do we have a lighter? We need to light the candle.
Here it is. I am prepared. I am always prepared. Now, make a wish. Make a big wish.
I wish for a happy year and good friends.
Yay! Happy birthday! May all your wishes come true.
Thank you for the cake. Thank you for the surprise. I am not lonely anymore.
You can also say, I am so touched. It means you feel love in your heart.
I am so touched. I am so touched. Is that right?
Perfect. Your English is great. Now, get your bag. We are going out.
Going out? Where are we going?
Is it another surprise? We are going to the park. The weather is beautiful today.
The park? I love the park. I need some fresh air.
The trees are changing color. It is autumn. The leaves are red and gold. Do you like autumn? Is it your favorite season?
Yes, I love autumn. It is cool and colorful, just like my birthday.
Smell that air. It is fresh and crisp. I love nature.
It is so colorful. Look at those leaves. They are falling like snow. Look, a red leaf. A red leaf. It matches your shirt, Ben.
I am a leaf monster. Watch out! Do you like hiking, Alice?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But I prefer walking in the city. I like looking at people.
Let's sit here for a minute. My legs are tired.
Look at that dog. It is so cute. I want a dog like that.
That is a golden retriever. They are very friendly dogs. Very friendly and energetic.
Energetic. I like that word. It means full of energy, right?
Exactly. You are smart. You learn very fast.
Let's take a photo. Come closer. Say cheese.
Cheese!
Cheese.
I look silly. But you look great. You look very happy.
I am happy. Thanks to you. You are a good friend.
Ready to go? I have one more place to show you.
Another place? Is it far? Do we need to take a bus?
No, it is close. We can walk. It is just around the corner. Green light. Let's go. Be careful crossing the street.
I like walking in the city. There is so much to see.
Here we are. The gift shop. Let's look inside.
Wow! Look at all this stuff! It is like a treasure chest!
Are you looking for anything special? Maybe a souvenir?
Oh, how do I look? Is it fashionable? Does it suit me?
You look fantastic. Very stylish. Try these glasses too.
We look so funny! We should take another picture. $50? Wow! That is too expensive. Way too expensive.
Yes, it is a bit pricey. Let's look for something cheaper.
These keychains are cute. And they are affordable.
Look at this one. The world. Because you like traveling.
I love it. I will buy this one. It will remind me of today.
How much is this, please? Can I pay by card? Payment accepted. Thank you.
Are you hungry? All that shopping made me hungry.
Yes, I am starving. I could eat a horse.
Eat a horse? That is a funny idiom. It means you are very, very hungry. This is my favorite cafe. The food is delicious here.
It looks very fancy. I like the atmosphere. Cheesecake. Apple pie. Everything looks good. What do you recommend?
You should try the hot chocolate. It is the best in town.
I would like a hot chocolate, please. And a slice of apple pie.
And I will have a coffee. Black coffee, please. Thank you. So, tell me about your family. Do they call you today?
Yes, they called this morning. My mom sang happy birthday. It was sweet. Wow! Look at that whipped cream! It looks amazing! It is so warm and chocolatey. You were right, Ben. The pie is delicious too. Do you want a bite? Try it.
No thanks. I am happy with my coffee. Enjoy your birthday treat.
What are your plans for tomorrow? Do you have school?
I have a big exam tomorrow. I need to study tonight.
Oh no! You have an exam! And you spent all day with me! You should go home!
Don't worry. I studied yesterday. Today is for you. Friends are more important.
You are the best! I am so lucky. Really lucky.
Put your money away. It is my treat. My treat.
My treat? That means you pay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. My treat next time.
Come on. Let's walk to the bridge. The sunset is beautiful there.
Wow! Look at the sky! It is magical!
I knew you would like it. It is the best view in the city.
This morning I was sad, but now I am so happy. What a difference a day makes.
I am glad. Birthdays should be happy. Always.
Oh, my hair! The wind is strong! I look like a lion!
A very happy lion. You look fine, don't worry.
Seriously, Ben. Thank you for everything. For the cupcake, the park, the gift, and the pie.
It was nothing. That is what friends are for. I had fun too.
It is beautiful.
It is getting late. I really need to go study now.
Yes, you must pass your exam. Go home. I will walk back from here.
Are you sure? I can walk you to your door.
No, I am fine. It is safe. Go study. Good luck. Good luck on your exam. I will cross my fingers for you.
Cross your fingers? Ah,
For good luck.
yes, please do that. Good night, Alice. Happy birthday again.
Good night, Ben. Thank you. The world is big, but I am not alone. I have so much to tell my mom tomorrow. Smells like bread. Everything smells good tonight.
Home safely. Studying now.
You can do it! Home sweet home. I am tired. But a good tired. Good night, world.
Happy birthday, Alice.